the file level backup and restore feature. Now we support file level backup and restore of Windows and Linux servers. For Microsoft Windows, the Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, and 10 are supported. For Windows Server, from version 2003 to 2019 are all supported. As for Linux, the mainstream distributions including Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS Linux, Ubuntu Linux, Debian Linux, and their latest versions are supported. Next, let's see how file backup and restore works. For both Windows and Linux operating systems, a lightweight file backup agent need to be installed, and the agent needs to be always running on the target operating system. Vinchin backup and recovery server will communicate with the operating system through the file backup agent to backup and restore files. Not only individual files, folders and the subfolders and files inside the folders are all supported for backup and restore. Next, I will show you how file backup works. The file backup and restore is mainly used to protect the physical servers. Before we perform backup and restore, we need to download and install the file backup agent. Okay, let's log out and download the file backup agent. So I'm going to download the Windows version. To download the Linux version is the same way. You can download from here. Okay, download. It's done. Let's install it. And quickly install. The installation will only take a few seconds. Okay, done. And we need to configure the file backup agent. Right-click on the icon and click on Agent Configure. And here we need to input the server IP address. And now test the connection. Success. And save the configurations. Okay, it's done. Let's relog in. And here we need to register this PC. Give it a name for identification. Okay, it's online registered. Now we can perform a file backup. Let's add this folder to the backup list. Next, once off backup. Select time and the next. Next. And submit. Now the job is pending, and let's start the job menu. And now the job is running. And completed. Here, let's take a look at the backup data. Okay, we got the file backed up. Now let's delete this folder. Let's see what's inside this folder. we have 5 image files inside this folder. And let's delete this folder and empty the recycle bin. It's gone. Okay, let's restore the files. Add this folder to the restore list. Next. Here you can choose to restore the files to the original host or a new host. And also you can choose to restore to the original path or a new path. Here I'm going to restore the files to the original host and the original path. And next. And restore now. Next. And submit. Okay, the job is running now. Completed. And here, let's take a look. The whole folder is back. And we got all the images back. Okay, that's for the file backup.